So today we are going to start a new chapter from your English grammar, and your chapter name is verbs. What is a verb? We will see in this chapter the definition of a verb. Verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. It indicates the action, being or existence and possession of the subject in a sentence. We will see this definition. We will understand this definition. First is action words, as we have talked about action verbs in your definition. What do you mean by action verbs? Whatever work we do in our daily routine, walk, talk, laugh, cry, these all are your action verbs. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. In Hindi we call it kriya. The action verb tells what its subject does. The action can either be physical or mental, called action verbs. Here we will see this table. Very simple action verbs like run, play, cry, drink, look, listen, hug, call, yawn. Those people who don't know the meaning of yawn, just see the picture. Clap, paint, all these are called action verbs. These all are work which we do. So they are called action verbs. You find the action verb in each sentence. The girls danced. Now, girls danced. So, dancing is your action verb. Our mailman drove a funny car last week. Drove is the past tense of drive. So, to drive a car, driving a car को drive करना is your work. ये एक तरह का काम है. So, this is your action verb. His teacher wrote the answers. Wrote is the past tense of write, and when we write, हम लिखते हैं. लिखना भी एक काम है. So, wrote is your action verb. Alice worked on her homework last night. Worked. The word itself is about work. So this is your action verb. Now, if we will get back to the definition, it indicates the action which we have already read. Now, being or existence. Now we will try to understand this being or existence. Understand being or existence through this linking verbs. Linking verbs links its subject to a word in the predicate. It links its subject to a word in the predicate. You must know the meaning of subject and the predicate. Linking verbs expresses a condition or a state of being. The cow is blue. Now, what is the condition of a cow? How the cow is? How is the cow? The cow is blue. So, through this linking verb is. These are other linking verbs. There are 9 common linking verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, be, being, become. So these all are linking verbs.
Verbs, that is, are, am, was, were, and will be, come from the verb to be. For example, I am a student. We were in our party dress. You are my friend.
We will see some examples. Hopefully it will snow this year. Will is your verb. Hopefully it will snow this year. Will is your verb. Helping verb, linking verb. The student asked his teacher a question. Asked. Asked is a verb. Question पूछना. पूछना भी एक काम है. Asked is your verb. This is the action verb. Jackson is very energetic. Is. This is a linking verb which is connecting or which is linking subject to a predicate. Jackson is very energetic is your linking verb telling the condition or state of being. Students in the class were really loud. Were is your linking verb. Again, linking subject to the predicate, telling the condition or state of being. I'm confused about algebra. M is your linking verb. The girl sang in the competition. Sang. Gana bhi ek kaam hai. Sang is the past tense of sing. So, sang is your action verb. All your answers are given. Verb can primarily be of 3 kinds. We have already seen doing verb, being verb, We have already seen action verbs or being or existence of the subject. We have already talked about action or work done by the subject or being or existence of the subject. Third one is possession. If we get back to the definition, it also indicates possession of the subject. Possession, we have already discussed the meaning of the possession. Can you tell me the meaning of possession? Possession means ownership. So having verb, it indicates the having, belonging or possession of the subject. आपके पास क्या है, आपकी belongings क्या है, आपका possession क्या है, किस चीज़ के आप owner हो. So this having verb indicates the having, belonging or possession of the subject. Has, have, had, having, etc. I have a butterfly. Who is the owner of butterfly? I. This is the butterfly is the belonging of I. So I is the owner. I have a butterfly. This is called having verb. Have is called having verb. James has a new desk. Who is the owner of a new desk? James. A new desk is the belonging of James. James has a new desk. This is your having verb. You have a special grammar book. Who is the owner of a special grammar book? You. A special grammar book is the belonging of you. This is your having verb.
I have a basketball. They have a party tomorrow.
In singular and plural, I have a book, you have a book. But along with she, we use has. Along with he, we use has. And along with it, we use has. We have books. You have books. They have books. So this is the rule. Along with I, you, we, they, we use have. And along with she, he, it, we use has. This is your homework. Write the definition of a verb and the given examples in your notebook. Do practice through your book exercises. Observe your daily routine and frame at least 5 sentences and underline the verbs in your own sentences. You have to observe your डेली रूटीन में आप क्या क्या करते हैं आपको ये ध्यान रखना है और फिर उसी को देखते हुए उन्हीं एक्शन वर्ब्स को लेते हुए लिंकिंग वर्ब्स को लेते हुए हैविंग वर्ब्स को लेते हुए यू हैव टू फ्रेम एटलीस्ट 5 sentences and you have to underline your verbs in your own sentences. In case you have any query, you are free to ask. Thank you बच्चों. जय नारायण.